This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, sleeps 4, slideout, Colorado Detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, water heater, stove top burner, smoke detector, LP detector, Skylight, air conditioning, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is 4,796 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.